What if you could predict if cancer therapy will work before it's given to a patient? Many cancers rely on a limited set of DNA repair pathways. DDR inhibitors are designed to block these mechanisms, pushing damaged cells towards death, a concept known as synthetic lethality. The challenge? These inhibitors only work when key DNA repair mechanisms are already deficient within the tumor. Without such deficiencies, cancer cells can simply reroute their repair using alternative pathways, which makes the treatment ineffective. That's why we need biomarkers that provide real-time, direct evidence of cancer cells' reduced ability to repair DNA damage. We don't just need to detect it, we also need to quantify which repair systems are active inside tumor cells. This precision approach ensures we target the right patients, those most likely to benefit, maximizing efficacy while minimizing unnecessary toxicity and side effects. If you're exploring how to identify the right patients for DDR inhibitors, let's talk. See how IntoDNA is redefining what's possible in tumor profiling.